नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका प्रदीप केयर्स यूट्यूब चैनल पर। और आज हम हमारी सीरीज फार्मा रैपिड रिवीजन के टॉपिक वाइज एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस सेट में फार्माकोलॉजी के टॉप 10 एमसीक्यू विद एक्सप्लेनेशन लेकर आए हैं। वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें और अपनी प्रिपरेशन को बूस्ट करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के साथ। Question number 1. Which science deals with the interaction of exogenously administered chemical molecules with a living system? And options are option A pharmacognosy, option B pharmacology, option C toxicology, and option D microbiology. And the correct answer is option number B pharmacology. Explanation. Pharmacology is defined as the science that studies the effect of chemical substance, drugs which are typically administered exogenously on living organism and how the organism respond to them. Next question. The capacity of a drug to cause fetal abnormalities when administered during pregnancy is especially termed as what kind of effect? Options are option A carcinogenic, option B mutagenic, option C teratogenic, and option D idiosyncratic. The correct answer is option number C teratogenic. Explanation. A teratogenic effect or teratogenesis refers especially to the ability of a drug to induce structural or functional abnormalities in the developing fetus. Next question is question number 3. Which of the following pharmacological terms describe what the drug does to the body? Options are option A pharmacognosy, option B pharmacotherapeutics, option C pharmacokinetics, and option number D pharmacodynamics. And the correct answer is option number D pharmacodynamics. Next question. Explanation. Pharmacodynamics is the study of biochemical and physiological effect of drug and their mechanism of action on the body. This is distinct from the pharmacokinetics, which is what the body does to the drug. Next question. Question number 4. What is the term for a drug interaction where the combined effect of two drugs is equal to the sum of their individual effect? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Options are option A antagonism, option B supra-additive effect, option C additive effect, and option D potentiation. And the correct answer for the question is option number C additive effect. Explanation. The additive effect is a type of synergism where the total response from the two drugs is exactly the sum of effect each drug produce independently, represent as 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next question. Question number 5. Synergism is defined as the situation where the total response to two drug is options are equal to the response of most potent drug, option B less than sum of the individual effect, option C greater than the sum of individual effect, and option D greater than or equal to the sum of individual effect. And the correct answer is option number D. Explanation. Synergism is the broad category of drug interaction where the total effect is either additive, equal to sum, or supra-additive, means potentiation, greater than the sum. Next question. Question number 6. In the context of pharmacology, a drug is primarily defined as the chemical molecules that is administered. Options are only for its toxicological properties, option B only by oral route, option C endogenously by body cells, and option D exogenously to a living system. And the correct answer is option number D exogenously to a living system. Explanation. A drug is external exogenous chemical substance that is administered to affect the structure or function of living system. Substance naturally produced inside the body are endogenous. Next question. Question number 7. What is the primary focus of pharmacokinetics? ADME. Options are option A the study of physical and chemical properties of drug, option B the mechanism by which the drug produce its therapeutic effect, Option C, the rate of drug from the moment of administration to its excretion. Option D, the study of drug resistance in microorganisms. And the correct answer for the question is option number C, the fate of drug from the moment of administration to its excretion. Explanation. Pharmacokinetics describe what the body does to the drug, which include absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion (ADME). This covers the entire journey and fate of drug within the body. Next question. Question number 8. A supra-additive effect in synergism is characterized by which of the following result? Options are: option A, the response is half of the sum of individual effect. Option B, the response is equal to the sum of individual effect. Option C, the response is slightly more than the sum of individual effect. And option D, the response is significantly greater than the sum of individual effect. 1 plus 1 is greater than 2. And the correct answer for the question is option number D. Explanation. The supra-additive effect or potentiation is characterized by a combined response that is much larger than the more arithmetic sum of the two individual drug effect. Next question. Question number 9. Which terms describe the administration route where a drug is given from an external source as opposed to the substance produced naturally within the body? Options are: option A, endogenous, option B, metabolic, option C, idiosyncratic, and option number D, exogenous. And the correct answer for this question is option number D, exogenous. Explanation. Exogenous means originating or produced from outside the organism. Since drugs are typically administered from a source outside the body, they are classified as exogenous agent. Next question. Question number 10. Which pharmacological study is essential for the understanding the clinical use of drug by examining the proper dosing, desired effect, and potential toxicity in the patient? Options are: pharmacognosy, option B, chemoinformation, option C, pharmacodynamics, and option number D, pharmacology, incorporating the both pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. And the correct answer for the question is option number D. Explanation. Effect and safe clinical use of a drug require the knowledge of both pharmacodynamics, the drug's effect and mechanism, and the pharmacokinetics, the drug absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. These two combined fields make up the core of pharmacology. ये थी आज की हमारी रैपिड रिवीजन के 10 MCQ. Thank you for watching Pradeep Cares YouTube channel. We hope you like our content and we promise you to provide authentic material. जुड़े रहिए हमारे चैनल के साथ, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. आप कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि हम कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकें और आपको ऑथेंटिक मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करा सकें. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.